List of Device Manager error codes and solutions in Windows. When your devices act up, Device Manager error codes are often the first warning signs. Ignoring them can slow your operations down, but acting fast can keep everything running smoothly. In this video, we'll break down the most common Device Manager error codes and show you how to fix them. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Common Device Manager error codes and solutions. Let's take a look at some of the common Device Manager error codes and solutions. For the full list, make sure to check out our blog. Code 1. Device not configured correctly. Error code 1 means your device has no driver installed or the driver isn't set up correctly. To fix it, press Wins+X, then click Device Manager. Find and right-click the device with the error. Select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for updated driver software. If Windows can't find it, you might need to download the driver from the manufacturer's website. Code 10. Device cannot start. Error code 10 shows up when a device can't start, usually due to a bad, outdated, or missing driver. To fix it, restart your computer. This often clears up resource conflicts or issues caused by recent updates. Press Wins+X and select Device Manager. Find the device with the error, right-click it, and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your PC. Windows will attempt to reinstall the driver automatically. Check if the driver was reinstalled. In Device Manager, go to View, Devices by Driver to confirm. Again, if it's not there, download the latest driver manually from the manufacturer's website and install it yourself. Code 19. Registry corruption. This error occurs when registry entries for a device are corrupted or conflicting. To fix it, press Wins+R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Go to Look for upper filters and lower filters on the right. If they're there, delete both. Click OK, then restart your PC. Code 31. Device driver cannot be loaded. Press Wins+R, type CMD, and press Enter. In the command prompt, type msdt.exe-id device diagnostic. Follow the instructions to detect and fix issues. Alternative troubleshooting methods. Here are some alternative troubleshooting methods. The first method is using the Windows troubleshooter. Press Wins+I to open settings. Go to Update and Security, Troubleshoot. Look for a troubleshooter that matches your device issue. Click Additional Troubleshooters to see more tools. Performing a system restore. System restore lets you roll back your PC to an earlier working state without losing important files. Just remember to do extensive research before attempting to do this, as the process can be a bit tricky. Keeping an eye on error codes and resolving them quickly is essential for maintaining workstations and ensuring full system compatibility. For more information, check out our official blog post on Device Manager error codes linked in the description below.